Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. So we are here with our lecturer in informatics, Miss Pima and Miss Alkis. I want to ask Miss Alkis and Miss Pima about their experience in this major. So the first question would be, what major did you took, Miss Pima and Miss Alkis?
We took informatics in Telkom University Surabaya.
Okay, we took bachelor degree. We both bachelor degree in informatics, and we took the magister degree in informatics. Well, actually, we are a classmate in magister informatics.
Yeah, that's right.
Institut Teknologi 10 November Surabaya.
ITS.
Yeah.
ITS. And what is the reason you took that major?
What is your reason?
Because I like text mining, so I choose informatics.
Just text mining and informatics. Oh well, mine is I love image, I love colors, I love how we like elaborate and take image in every pixel. So I chose informatics. And we both in artificial intelligence topics. So yeah.
Yeah.
So the reason you like informatics is because the image processing?
For me, yes. For
For you.
her,
It's text mining. Oh, I see. So this might be a little bit. This question would requires a long answer, but for me it's a bit long. So the third one would be, if you are not a lecturer, what dream job you would chase for?
so, if we are not a lecturer, what you guys imagine we will be?
What we guys imagine you would be? I guess you would be like
A comedian maybe?
uh,
An artist maybe?
it's for me. If you are not a lecturer, I would see you as an AI engineer.
Oh.
And for Miss Alkis, I would say she would be AI engineer as well, because both of you have interest in artificial intelligence.
I see. Well, if I don't study informatics, maybe I will become a poetry. I like art. I like poems. Maybe I will become the poetry. And you?
Doctor, maybe?
Oh, doctor.
Oh yeah, it's a dream. Just a dream.
Life.
Life.
You said you like poetry. Let me guess, you like William Shakespeare?
Not really. I like bahasa Indonesia more. So
I see.
Muammar MK, Hairil Anwar, some of them.
Oh, I see. And Miss Alkis, you say that you want to be a doctor. What is the reason you want to be a doctor?
What reason? Just maybe I like helping people. I wish someday I will help people with no fee, because doctor now is expensive, you know.
Yes,
Yeah. Yeah, because of that.
So noble, yeah. And for the last question.
Oh, maybe I wanna ask you guys a question.
Yeah.
No
Yeah.
problem.
What you wanna be if you aren't an informatics student? Berlin.
Maybe I want to be a businessman.
Oh, businessman.
Yeah.
What do you want to sell?
Oil.
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 Oh, oil businessman. And you?
If I am not in the informatics major, I would be a mechanic or everything that is related to engineering approach. Because I am interested in solving problem, but with mathematical and physics approach. So,
Oh, really interesting.
so
There's the last question.
let's move on to the very last question. Would be, do you have any advice for us as a freshman?
Wow, yes. Let's meet things on this.
Advice.
I think you must try explore many things like class in internet, maybe workshop, and then you must wait, internship in
Company.
company, yeah. So you will know about the company
I see, I
before
see.
you,
Join to employee.
yeah.
So your advice for us is like to explore more into informatics and
Yeah.
something like that. And what about you, Miss Yuma?
What about me? For you guys are freshmen, right?
Yes.
So I think you shouldn't be like a stubborn when you choose any topic in informatics. Still a freshman, so you have time to learn about everything in informatics before you choose something that you really like to do.
So it's like explore first, find your interest, and then choose what you are interested in. It's like that. I see, I see. And I think that's all for the interview. Thank you, Miss Alkis and Miss Bima. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name Manuel Surya Saputra and my name is 108072 50022 and this interview talk about two informatics students, Miss Bima and Miss Alkis, and their experience in studying informatics. They talk about their interest in artificial intelligence, text mining and image processing. They also share advice for a freshman student. In my opinion, this interview was interesting because it showed that informatics is not about coding but also about creativity and problem solving. I learned that people can have different passion in the same major, like art, AI, and technology. It makes informatics feel flexible and exciting to learn. And I also think the advice from a lecturer was very helpful for a freshman student. They said students should explore many things like join workshop and try internship before choosing their main interest. And I agree with their advice because exploring different experience can help students understand what they really enjoy in the future.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rozila Ramadan Putra Hadi. Today I like to share my quick opinion about the two lectures in Telkom University Surabaya. The first lecture is Miss Bima. Miss Bima teaches in a structured and formal way, focusing on theory. This helps us build a solid foundation, though it can feel a bit rigid. Meanwhile, Miss Alkis is more interactive, using real-life example. This makes learning engaging and practical. Together, their styles complement each other. Miss Pima strengths theory, and Miss Alkis connect it to practice. This balance makes learning more effective. And maybe that's all from me. That's my short reflection. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So I will give my opinion to Miss Alkis and Miss Bima. So first, maybe the reason why they choose informatic because Miss Alkis because she likes a text mining and Miss Bima she love color image pixel. It's related for IT. Yeah, text mining is about machine learning and pixel too and IT. And then next, if you not a lecturer in telecommunication, tell you what you will do. It's interesting because they have a dream job is not related in technology. First is Miss Pima. He's want to be a pointer is so far from technology, and then Miss Alkis want to be a doctor is maybe too far for me because from technology to medicine is so very different. And they give advice for me is first is Bu Alkis try explore many things, try workshop, most internship in company, and explore many things in informatics. Yeah, it's true because we must explore many things. We must internship in company and explore many things in informatics because we got more information and we got more experience, especially when we uh must join internship in company. We get some experience and we got new information. And from Miss Bima must learn everything in informatics before you choose what something you like. It's true for me because we must learn every detail or something in informatics before we choose what we choose in informatics because we will not regret what we choose. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, so I wanna make opinion about Miss Pima and Miss Alkis. My opinion about Miss Pima and Miss Alkis is very positive. They are friendly, patient, and supportive lecturer. They explain the lesson clearly, so student can understand the material more easily. I also think they are very responsible and care about their students' progress. Even when the class is difficult, they always try to make the learning atmosphere comfortable and enjoyable. Because of that, I feel more motivated to study and participate in class. Thank you, Miss Pima and Miss Alkis, for your guidance and dedication. So that is my opinion about Miss Pima and Miss Alkis. Thank you, guys.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Richie Prudent, and I now want to give some opinion for Miss Pima and Miss Alkis. Okay, because in first video I want give some opinion for Miss Pima and Miss Alkis because they are very positive and dedicated lecturer who truly care about their student. They always teach with sincerity and put great effort into helping students understand in the material. Their supportive and encouraging attitude creates a comfort learning environment where students feel more confident to ask questions and participate in class. In addition, they explain the lesson clearly and patiently, making even difficult topics easier to understand. Their passion for teach and their kindness makes students feel appreciated and motivated to learn better. Overall, their commitment and positive energy make the learning experience more meaningful, enjoyable, and inspiring for all students. Okay, goodbye.